So welcome to week 3. So this week we're going to be looking at taking our final design that we worked on last week in terms of our sketching. I'm going to be taking that sketch of our final design and making a prototype of it. So to do so, we need to look around for whatever household material that we have and then see how we can make our design a reality. Okay, so let's have a look at what we can do. So now to the prototyping, and as you can see, I'm taking my design that I originally went with, which is here, and I'm just looking around and looking at the tools and equipment that I have in the house. So I've got all these little pieces of tools here and equipment. I've got my materials that I can use, and then I've got these parts over here like my tape and my scissors and so on that I can use with that. And here's my final design. So as you can see, compared to my final design sketch, it's quite similar, and the egg cups that I use is actually the egg carton that I use is actually quite good in terms of getting my design out. And if you can use that, anything around the house that might inspire you and you can use that as a sort of inspiration for design, please definitely do that. As you can see, it's a little bit different. I've changed it up a little bit, but that's absolutely fine. So you modify it as you see fit. So let's have a quick look at how it actually functions. Right, so here, as you can see right now, it is currently two-seater. Then it extends up, it comes out like so, and then the last part is that this part comes up and slots in right like this. And this section can be adjusted to increase or decrease the space in between this. So you notice that the components that I used, egg cartons, toothpicks or wooden dowels or whatever you can use within your house, and see what you can do. And then cardboard that I cut slots out of so that it's allowed to slide backwards and forwards along it. Okay, so that is my final prototype of a space-saving furniture. Let's see what you can do. But remember, the whole purpose of prototyping is that you can show some part of functionality. So like with my design, I can show that this part slots in and out and it moves, so I'm showing movement and function. So that's what I want you thinking about. And I want you to try and make it as best as you can. Better than what I've done, okay? Have a good one.